Menteri Rangba ka Jalau Conrad ke Sangma ula Pynrem jur Halor ka Jingshah Shoh met ka wei ka Kynthei ha ka Shillong Texragri ka Bahab ha ka West Garo Hills District hadin ba ka video kala sapriang ha kirinsan social media beki kattu kat ni kishinrang kila bom ya kini ka Kynthei do usiet bat patrong ya ka nasnyo wat hapdeng ka jingyam bat jinglin yar jongka Haba krench kila pathai Khubor ha ka art pratare gujliu arjar apusau u Conrad ula Pynrem ya kini Jingshah bar ula ong baka an kan penshitom ya gitu kibreu kibron kti ban Shoh ya kate ka Kynthei ula ong bakum kani Jingshah ken omja shu nang ni shakmat namar bo nuno ne kanu ka breu kimla ban shemi ka an hakti la da don kinu ki bale bakla de ban ujor shaki bor jong ka an ban shem ya ka an hakti
already I don't know the exact number that is there. But let me make it very clear that we condemn all this kind of activities and the individuals who are responsible for this, strict action will be taken against them. What they did was wrong. If there is any issue, any concern, then we should follow the process and the legal process should be followed. But one cannot take this entire issue in their own hands and think that they can just simply go ahead and take the law in their hand in one way and try to teach somebody a lesson, which is really incorrect. And the way it was happened also was very incorrect. So we will take strict action against those people who are involved in it. There are laws, different laws are there. I will not have the whole list of them. But yes, wherever it's required for us to examine and look into amendments to cater and to look into the different such incidents that are taking place, we can definitely examine that subject also.
So, wanted a clarity on the